In front of me is FreeYond M6 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access about phone. Then hit device name and type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. When you finished, hit OK in device name pop-up and confirm your choice by selecting OK in the second one, this time about visibility. As you can see, after that, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!